Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and you're watching my Love Yourself, Speak Yourself Final in Soul nail art tutorial. Start off by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using Unpeel Off base coat. Then I'm applying this dark blue with a purple shift in it, as well as these holographic iridescent unicorn flakes in them. And so why I chose this base color is because it highly resembles the Army Bomb Ocean that's in the final poster, and I just thought that it looked really pretty, especially with the words written on it later on. Now onto this design. This is actually just a recreation of my Speak Yourself design that I did for the start of the tour. So I did that like back in May, and that was more of like a lighter color palette, but because this final poster features us, like as in the Army Bombs, I wanted to emulate that, and I thought it was like a great way to pay tribute to us fans. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. But for the most part, the only other thing that's changed is that I'm doing this with my non-dominant hand. So of course, if you're going to do it with your dominant hand, you're just going to flip it. Make sure that the words are in the right order when you do, and you can follow my other tutorial if you want to see how that looks like. But this one is actually a lot simpler because I'm not going to the concert in Seoul. I'm actually just going to be watching it via live stream and live viewing at the theater, so I didn't feel like I needed to do anything extra special. But yeah, this is just, simple tutorial, really easy and fun if you decide to do it for, when you go to the theater to watch it, or if you're actually in Seoul. This is something that you could just slap on your nails if you wanted to, be extra excited and play into the festivities of the concert. Now, as for my general commentary on this tour, the Love Yourself tour in general, it really means a lot to me because it was the first time that I had gone to a concert in general, not just BTS. I always reference Citi Field as a very big moment of my life because it really did change my mindset on concerts, and I think made me fall in love with BTS even more. So yeah, I definitely will miss this era so much because of that. Then apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So that is it for my Love Yourself, Speak Yourself Final in Soul nail art tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I am a bit sad to be bidding farewell to this era because of how much it means to me and how much it has transformed me, but I am ready for new memories to come, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye everyone!